using my $6 FM transmitter quite a bit since I posted my last video. I've tried it on about 10 radios. It works really well. I wanted to show you this radio. This is like one of my favorite radios. It's a Western Auto 8-track AM FM radio. When I bought it, the battery compartment was filled with like a red mud. It dried. It had happened years ago. I cleaned all that out, but it had the power connector, the actual original cord on it, which is one of those weird size, small cords. So I'm running it off of that, and I had to clean the pots on it and spend a little bit of time on it. I didn't get the 8-track working. I don't use 8 tracks. I've got some 8 tracks, but the 8-track cartridges to me are a huge pain in the butt because all the pads are rotted on them and they jam, and the silver foil contact on the tape falls off, and so I'm just using this for radio. But I'm running this off my cell phone. I'm streaming, and this is actually a non-copyright music station I found on Simple Radio. So let's see if that goes without flagging any copyright. Just wanted to let you see how well this thing is working. I ran it to this stupid thing, which is a GPX, which is a piece of crap. And I ran it to this GE, and they all pick up the station that I'm streaming from really well. I've got the transmitter set to 107.3, which seems to be the best top of the dial. There's nothing adjacent to it here, so I'm not getting any interference or anything. I just wanted to let you know, I have fully tested that little transmitter out. So there it is right there. And see what that says? No copyright music. So let's see if I get a copyright strike. They've actually got some pretty decent music on here, so anyway, I just wanted to put this up. It's a follow-up to my previous video. I'm very happy with this little $6 FM transmitter, and it seems to have a range of about 50 feet. That's the most I've taken it away from the radios, but it doesn't fail, doesn't fade. So, and it uses 2 AAA batteries. Just correct what I put on the previous video, that it used 1 AA, it uses 2 AAAs. So anyway, just wanted to put this up there and let you know. If you decide you want to buy one of these from Amazon for $6-8, you probably would be able to use it. I mean, it gives you a whole another way to run your old FM radios. Makes them a lot more useful than just going through the dial and listening to the same old crap. Alright, thanks. Hope you guys are alright. Please subscribe so I can get put into rotation on YouTube. Right now I'm still not at 300 subscribers, and YouTube's not really promoting my videos very much, but I'm getting there. I get a couple every 3-4 days. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.